day. Would you please introduce yourself?
Hi, good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Zairine Nicole Liwag. I am 24 years old. I'm from the Philippines.
Okay, are you married or single?
I am single, but I have one child. He is 6 years old.
Okay, so how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I do have one brother. He is 14 years old.
Okay, and what is your highest educational attainment?
I am a college undergraduate.
Okay, so do you have an experience working as a domestic helper before?
Yes, I do have here in the Philippines.
Okay, and for how many years you've been working here in the Philippines?
I've been working for almost 3 years.
Okay, and what are your daily routine works inside the house?
My daily routine works is cleaning the common area or the living room, taking care of the kids, and doing preparing their food, and also cleaning their bedrooms and all the other sides of the house.
Okay, and how many children does your employer have?
My employer has 2 children,
How old are they?
2 and 7 years old.
Okay, so how did you take care of the children?
I take care of them by helping them bathe in the morning, and when they have school, I take them to school, then fetch them from school, and I also prepare their food. I help them with their homeworks, and I also take care of them when they are sick.
Okay, so do you have any song or nursery rhyme for your future employer's children in Hong Kong?
Yes, I do have one.
Okay, can you please show it to us?
Alright, so the song is It's a Bitsy Spider. So, it's a bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So the itsy bitsy spider went up the sprout again.
Okay, thank you for that. So are you willing to do overtime job if requested?
Yes, I am.
Are you willing to work with other helper in Hong Kong?
Yes, I am also.
Okay, and what if your employer cannot give you a Saturday or Sunday holiday? Is it okay for you?
That will be fine with me.
Okay, that's good to hear. So how many years you can work in Hong Kong?
I can work for as long as my employer needs me.
Okay, that's good. So can you tell something about yourself to your future employer in Hong Kong?
Alright. Hi, good day, ma'am and sir. Please hire me, and if you will choose me as your domestic helper, I can assure you that I can provide you the best service that I can. I am hardworking, I am flexible, I can adapt to changes, and I am also good in taking care of the children.
Okay, so before we end this interview, can you please show us your best smile? Thank you for coming.